Hey guys, Aniket here. This video is little bit different. This is more of a promotional video to make you guys aware about the services that we provide. So in CzechVisaMaster, we provide full consultation package and we guide international students through every step of their educational journey. Here in CzechVisaMaster, we are a Czech specialist. We fully focus on Czech student visas and university admissions. We make sure that our services are 100% transparent and honest guidance throughout your journey. Apart from this, like other consultants, we don't match you with the universities that they want you to go, but with the universities which you want to go. So, what's included in this? University selection, application process, backpacking guide, visa documentation, pre-arrival support, accommodation, post-arrival support, visa mock interviews. Also, we even provide some additional services like flight booking advice, affordable health insurance that you need to take for your visa application, the post-arrival support, and if you get any job referral leads, then we can provide you those as well. And you will be the first one to get job referrals leads if there are any available. So in university application, we will help you with document preparation. If there is any need of SOP of LOM, then we can provide you guidance for that as well. The submission handling and university communications and regular follow-ups with admission officers. In visa documentation process, we will do end-to-end things like documentation checklist, financial proof preparation, and there is some specific process that you need to follow for embassy appointment. We will guide you through in that process as well. Our main approach is make sure that you make zero mistakes in your visa application, which significantly increases approval charges in the first attempt only. So when you are leaving from your country, then the first thing that you will need that accommodation in Czech Republic. So we can help you through that as well. Either it is a university dormitory, private apartments, or we can also guide you that which might be a really good location for you to have apartment or dormitory. In the pre-arrival guidance, you might get information related to the visa collection, the flight booking, accommodation confirmation. When you are coming to Czech Republic, you need to have some currency in your hand. So currency exchange tips, travel insurance guidance, and there are some essential apps that you might need to download before coming to Czech Republic. Apart from this, the essential things that you should be getting before coming to Czech Republic, after reaching to Czech Republic, how you can go from airport to your accommodation, and we will also make sure that we check all the documents beforehand. In the backpacking guidance, we will make sure that you will have all the essential documents, climate appropriate clothing, electronics and adapters, medication and toiletries, and other important information that you will need while staying in Czech Republic. There are some optimal booking windows that you need to follow, and this is how you can save a lot of money in flight booking. For example, some flights only accept 15 kg of standard baggage, but we recommend a student-friendly airlines and optimal routes to coming to Prague. Next is health insurance. Here we will give you all the information from where you can get cheapest and which can be approved health insurance in Czech Republic. Next is post-arrival support. So when you come to Czech Republic, you need to do your local registration. You need to open your own bank account, mobile SIM card, travel card setup, etc. So we can provide you guidance on that as well. Next is job referrals and opportunities. So in case of any referrals or any leads, then in that case you will get priority access as you are my contact. So why you can choose CzechVisaMaster? Number one is 100% transparency, and unlike other consultancies, you can keep all the documents with you only. We provide no false promises. We promise what we can deliver. After the main fees, we won't charge you a single penny as a hidden fees. And the last, you can get direct access to me and my team. So let's get your Prague journey started. So here you can find the CzechVisaMaster website, which you can go and you can look for packages. Apart from this, you can like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. In case of any questions, feel free to add it into comments and message me on the Instagram. I am always ready to help you. Thank you.